Okay, so in this video, I want to explain how you're able to get insights about website conversions that include web forms that are integrated with CRM. So you're able to see insights about users who respond to calls to action on the website, submit forms, and see the insights about those forms from a journey analytics perspective, including information about the users who've submitted the form, which may, if you'd like to include, contain the information like first name, last name, etc., about the exact information in the forms that was submitted, and how you can see that information in the dashboards. So on the website, we have on our demo website, we have about the fictitious insurance company. We have this call to action where you can get an insurance quote, which is very common for insurance websites. And here we have a form. This form is integrated with HubSpot CRM. You can use any CRM, Salesforce, Microsoft, etc. Those are supported. And in this case, we have the form where the user can fill in first name, last name, etc., company name, and submit the form. So when that form is submitted, you're able to see insights. And one of the things you can do on the demo site, if I go to, let's say, the dashboard, you're able to submit the form on the demo site and see for yourself the information that you submitted in the embedded dashboard. And if you go to the conversions page in the dashboard, the embedded dashboard on the website, then you can see, first name, last name, number of submits, lead status from CRM, the last field that was, or the different fields that were submitted, information that you choose to display in various tables, charts, etc. Again, this is all customized, fully customizable. We provide these. Let's say on the demo site, we have these 11 different dashboards that are probably have a lot of the insights that you'd want to track, but definitely not all. And you can build these dashboards yourself using the solution. And you have full control of modifying dashboards, etc. But these are some examples. So what I want to do is explain a little bit behind, within the system, how the solution, what's going on with this data capture. So if I jump into how the dashboard is built, here I am in Power BI desktop. I'm looking at the same page that we just looked at that's on the demo site, the embedded dashboard. And here we can see the different data points that are available. So if first of all, what we want to do, let's focus on some of the overall insights. So, number of completed forms, abandoned forms. As I explained in a previous video, we have standard capability within the system, within the web tracker, the RelevantEdge web tracker, and the data collection database, and then the data is processed and is available in the Power BI data model that you see here. If you have any form on the website, regardless of its CRM or not, just a good old form, we'll track those forms. The solution will track those forms, including field data that's submitted and things like abandoned, completed, and information about which fields are the fields where users are abandoning from, as you can see here, the last field to be completed. So that's an insight here. If we focus on the HubSpot form, then here in the data model, again, this could be Salesforce CRM, it could be Microsoft CRM, various CRM packages. But here, where we have a custom integration, you can see that there are various CRM fields that are available, and the table here is simply using those fields that I've created using I've selected using the using Power BI for the demo site. But you have other fields that are available, and you have other information about date, time when fields are submitted, and fields available with regard to the web form fields and other data dimension and measures, et cetera, and fields that are available here in the data model. So this is in Power BI. So this is representative of, again, regardless of the CRM you're using, the type of data that you could have available for report building. Of course, this can be customized, and either you can do it, or we can do it, or we can help you do it, that customization in the solution, so that you can get the kind of insights that you're interested in. So and then you're able to have different insights. So, for example, an interesting insight is lead status. So very often marketers are working in different tools to get insights, and they don't have consolidated insights. But in this concept with RelevantEdge, we're trying to show integrated analytics insights, multi-data source insights. And the HubSpot integration is one of the ways that we're demonstrating that. So if I jump over into HubSpot, here I am, and I just sort of open up the contact for a user who submitted a form from the demo site. You can see that there is various things that can be done here. One of the fields here is lead status, and by default, I think it's called lead, if I recall. But maybe I don't want that. I want this one. Life cycle stage. So if I want to change it to sales qualified lead, for example, if the CRM user has been in and changes it to sales qualified, just go in and do that. And as a CRM user, press save. And then that lead status will update back in the dashboard. And this is something that marketers are really keen to have, right? Because very often marketers are responsible for generating marketing qualified leads, sales qualified leads, and the marketer can track that as well as sales. And anyone who has access to the dashboards in your organization can gain insights with regard to leads life cycle stage, and other CRM fields if that was required. So here is a simple chart showing, simply showing the life cycle stage and the number of HubSpot contacts. So we can see here that there's 27 that are lead, there's 4 that have been opportunity, 2 with marketing qualified lead, etc. So that shows some of the insights. Of course, a key thing with a concept is journey analytics with the RelevantEdge Analytics solution. It's a lot around journey analytics. And here we're showing an insight with regard to the last pages users visited before they submitted the form. And we can also show campaign, channel, and we can show first campaign in the journey. So it could be that the first visit, what happened on the first visit, the user came into the website from a campaign, they came back subsequently X number of times, and then they submitted the form. We show these kind of journey-based insights as well, including the ability to filter by CRM data. So very, very important concepts. So that was a walkthrough with regard to gaining insights about conversions that include web forms when the web form is integrated with a CRM tool.